Saturday, September the 2nd, 6:31 a.m. Central Daylight Savings Time. Pretty good morning here condition-wise. Question is will I find a squirrel to shoot at? I'm not seeing that many squirrels, boys and girls. Not seeing any out on the roads either, crossing. Oh, I found a stray up here. His head busted straight up over my head. Long stick I got, boys. Help shoot them squirrels. He wore me out, boys. He wouldn't be still. Boys, we got a snow fox squirrel there building a nest. We're going to see if this is a male or a female. I've been watching this squirrel for a long time, trying to get the right angle on it to see it. I've been all over this squirrel, all around this tree, building a nest in a shag bar. That's a sow squirrel. Built her a nest. Busted that old head, hers. Got that old head busted. I believe that bullet clipped the limb on that boy. He wore that old head out, didn't he? Boys, we've shot number 4 down here. I even look at the head, it's pretty good ways off that hill. He's sitting on a oak tree, whine barking at me. He let me see him. You know what that means. We'll go down here and see where we've hit this old squirrel. See him down there in that ravine. You ought to have that old head busted. He got that old noggin busted. Alright, boys, this morning's harvest. We got a headshot gray squirrel there. Got a headshot gray squirrel, a decapitated headshot gray squirrel, that old fox squirrel. I didn't see but about 7 squirrels total. Squirrels are scant, boys. Gotta make your shots count if you're gonna kill any in here, I know that much.